In English, we say hello, how are you, sorry, please, these types of phrases many times every day. But in Chinese, we hardly use these phrases. Today, I'm going to share with you some phrases like these are often used in English, but not so much in Chinese. I'm Nicole. Welcome to my channel. This channel is dedicated to help you to learn Chinese easier and quicker. So if you're a Chinese learner, don't forget to subscribe me. The first vocabulary or phrase today is hello. Hello translating to Chinese now would be 你好. But in Chinese, we rarely say 你好 to people we already know, especially among friends. 你好 is more commonly used when addressing strangers, particularly in the service industry towards customers, or when asking for help from strangers. I will give you examples on next one. 请, please. We actually barely use 请 because in Chinese, the politeness is more reflected in our tone, posture, facial expressions, and titles. For example, in English, we say, pass a cup to me, please. Translates it directly to Chinese will be 请把杯子给我. Although it includes 请, it isn't a polite expression at all, actually. This is a command. Even with 请, people generally wouldn't say it in this way. We would say, 你可以把杯子给我吗? This sentence, even without any word 请, is much more polite than 请把杯子给我. However, in daily life, we do use 请 in specific phrases like 请坐, 请进, 请问. Example, 您好, 请问最近的地铁站怎么走? By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, I would love it if you can give me a thumb up. This really helps me. Next one, sorry. Living in the UK, I must say that British people really love to say sorry. The Chinese translation is 对不起, which is only used when you have done something really bad and are seriously apologizing. A more common way to say is 不好意思, which is similar to a combination of sorry and excuse me or pardon me. 不好意思，我打断一下。哦，不好意思。不好意思，请让一下。Next one. Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你。This one is actually directly translated from English because this phrase doesn't originally exist in Chinese and it's rarely used. However, if you are really happy to see someone, the other people actually can already tell from your happy expression. But if you still want to say it, you can say, It's so happy to see you today. 今天见到你太开心了。Next one is similar as nice to meet you, is how are you? We also don't have how are you culture in Chinese as well. Some textbooks translate how are you as 你好吗? But if you say this to a Chinese person, they might find it a little bit confused, like me good. What do you mean? What do you want to say? You might wonder if we don't say how are you or hello, then what will we say when we meet each other? Well, we usually get straight to the point, diving directly to the topic of a conversation, or maybe we'll start by complimenting each other's clothes, makeup, and so on. If this is a friend we haven't seen for a long time, we might say 好久不见，最近怎么样？最近怎么样? This one only can be used when you really haven't seen the people for quite a long time. Next one, have a good day. As for have a good day is typically said when parting ways. In China, besides saying goodbye, 再见, or bye bye, we might say other things like 到家告诉我, 路上慢点, or 明天见. But just saying 再见 or bye bye is perfectly fine too. It's a phrase often used when writing emails in English. hoping you are well. This translates to 希望你一切都好 in Chinese, but you will never see this in the Chinese email, especially in the business context. Usually, we get straight to the point directly, starting the purpose and content of the email. Last one, love you. I love you. 我爱你. Or just love you. 爱你. Love you can be said very casually in daily life, whether between couples or family members, friends. However, in China, families almost never say I love you. It would be so weird to say I love you to family members. Nowadays, some family maybe start to accept to say love you, but maybe only between parents to kids or grandparents to kids. If you say love you to your uncle, auntie, cousins, that would be really weird, super weird. And also, some couples started to accept to say I love you, but to friends, we barely say it. Many people still think it's a little bit pretentious to say it and are reluctant to use this word. Since we are mentioning about love you, then maybe you are interested to some relationship-related slangs you can check out in this video. Okay, I will see you in next video soon. Bye-bye.